Today I'm going to discuss one poem from your TYBA General English G3 paper, Advanced Study of English Language and Literature. So let's begin. Rabindranath Tagore, as we all know, was a famous Bengali poet, philosopher, prophet, critic, music composer, short story writer, essayist, playwright. He was a painter. He was a song composer. There are so many things to talk about Rabindranath Tagore. But I would like to mention here one of the famous quote of Rabindranath Tagore. Quote, "The butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough." Unquote. With this beautiful quote, let's begin our today's discussion. Rabindranath Tagore, basically known for his philosophical songs, his philosophical poems, philosophical thoughts. Now let's coming back to the central idea today I'm going to discuss of Rabindranath Tagore's Silent Steps poem. Here, poet is saying that God is beyond age, God is immortal, God is powerful, and one can feel the existence of God in everyone's life. God is beyond age and death. He is having all the powers. The poet says that God proves his presence through the changes which takes place in the nature. He can feel. Tagore says that he can feel the existence of God in every moment, every age, every day and every night. That's why poet expresses his strong faith in God, in God's existence of God through the lines, "Have you not heard his silent steps?" So here his refers to God. So Rabindranath Tagore saying, "Have you not heard his silent steps? He comes, ever comes. Every moment and every age, every day and every night he comes, ever comes." So basically the central idea is Tagore says that God comes through the dark forest path in the form of sweet fragrance in the month of sunny and fiery April, and one can observe his existence in the form of thunder in the dark night of July. Poet says that God comes in different forms. God becomes your companion in your sorrowful moments as well as in your happy moments. God is omnipresent everywhere in your life. God says, poet says that God lives and dwells with him, and God gives him strength to face sorrows in his life. God is divine, God is powerful, God helps him to bear the pain of sorrowful moments in his life. Tagore says that God is eternal and exists in our life just like every breath's existence in our life. There are no boundaries for God. God is the creator, and we can feel his continual appearance in our feelings. So you can see through lines also, many a song have I sung in many a mood of mine, but all their notes have always proclaimed, He comes, ever comes. So this line is repeated throughout the poem to emphasize God's existence in our life, the importance of God in our life. And this one is the central theme of this poem. Thank you so much, students. In my next session, I will discuss the critical appreciation of this poem. Thank you.